National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rodgers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Barnesville to near Avant to near Sperry to 2 miles west of Sand Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Sand Springs, Claremore, Owasso, Skiatook, Catoosa, Collinsville, Verdigris, Barnesville, Sperry, Billigaw, Ramona, Oshaleta, Foyle, Avant, Talala, Vera, Watova, Turley, Tulsa International Airport. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 230 and 255. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.